Hello, I'm Breezy. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, cranial prosthesis specialist, and a microlink specialist. I'm here with Yummy Extensions today, and I want to give you guys 3 tips to remember before your install. Tip number 1, please co-wash your hair. Yes, we do co-wash your hair at Yummy Extensions, but there's no telling the last time that we did that before you purchase, and you definitely want to be sure that you're applying the cleanest slate possible when you're installing this hair. It also prevents matting and tangling. Tip number 2, limit the amount of piercing and cutting of your wefts. We are aware that when you're getting a sew-in or you're getting a wig made, you will have to cut or pierce at some point, but less is more. You don't want too much shedding. Tip number 3, don't over bleach or over pluck your lace products if you are using lace products. You could cause premature balding. You don't want to do that because your lace products could last you up to 3 installs. With so much plucking, that's more of a temporary effect. Please remember that.